Oh boy, I'm excited. I just got a new helmet. Of course, you all know what it is because you saw the thumbnail, and that's why you clicked on this video. So I'm gonna open it. Do not use blades to open. Box, don't tell me what I want to do. I do what I want. Ooh, it's even a good looking box. Got some fancy packaging. Got instructional papers. A clear shield, or I guess it's called an flight shield. Got the helmet and more paperwork. And more paperwork. Ooh, now that is a sexy helmet. It looks much more gooder than my old helmet. Yeah, much more gooder. Ah, it fits gooder too. It's double plus good. Get a little of that vent, will ya? So my initial thoughts on the ICON AIRFLITE MIPS STEALTH are that it's an extremely well-made helmet. It looks really, really good, and so far it feels comfortable. And so I'm going to ride around with it for a while, put some miles on it, and then come back and do a review and tell you what I actually think of it once I've used it. But for now, just my initial impression is that it's a good helmet, and I don't see any reason why I won't be happy with it. So check back for that review.